come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm a
But how about you for one? And you will come in my episode because precious.
Sir. How are you? Baba, now then I know you. Oh, sorry, I know what said. Do I go no about say Vietnam for two? No, I'm a flash. I didn't.
Hey, say, the father. Hey, now we can swear you.
There be watch and Coladi. And they'll say, who soon by no Colan who say a fine idea to you. Say,
I'm between the media. And I'm many are better. Between you, Coco. So is the media safe. I'm better by a woodian.
Oh, bread, when you know, you moon about my brand here. What it? Utunya would be an answer said Biao. Oh, no more football age basis to two. Also, press who pray won't have a castle smith will be a team. Suburban are the cats are more be a team. Okay. So, what is it?
We've been waiting for you for long. We visited Precious.
Okay.
And then what the doctors told us, I think we have to inform you. They said the level of blood in the system has decreased. And then as for that matter, she might need blood to be transfused in the system. So we thought it wise to inform you since you are the headmaster of the school. So they do discuss them.
Wow. Don't you think it would be wise if we organize some of the students to sensitize them or conscientize them about it to see if they willingly donate some blood?
Okay, so
definitely we are going to get to, some of the students whose blood will match us, isn't it?
It's true, sir. MP and I, we've already thought of that. So I don't know if we could start by now.
Oh, why not?
Okay.
We can. You see, ideally we are supposed to inform her parents.
That's right.
But the circumstance that we find ourselves now, it wouldn't be wise for us to do that because we should be responsible. We should assume responsibility.
So, would that cause any problem?
That's it. I'm not saying we are not going to inform them at all. Definitely we are going to inform them. But before we inform them, let's get the blood. So by the time they will come to the hospital, who knows, she might be well.
Okay.
At least showing some sign of responsibility is far better than leaving her there to call the parents that they should come and look for blood for the transfer.
Okay, so then I think we have to gather all the students. So we tell them if they are willing to donate.
Oh yes, the thing is we are not going to tell them if they are willing to donate. The school nurse is here. He knows something about it. You get some expert to help him. So what we do here is we talk to them and then
Then
okay, I think it's okay.
And headmaster, we see my say Ben Day.
My there someone say my na not true. One wires or one hey enti assembly ho no ma wo catch my ya wa catch man sign. Enti wo say wa asem ya bamu ya isa abato na so na isa min yan hwe min timi yan hu bi.
Enye school ma say one pan na no oto. No kura na abeka yeso na oto.
Enye no kura abeka no bia e ka no no. Wonko ka no ho. Ne en ka no ho na ka no. Wo ni mayi asem nsa mo ho. Me me de kura say wo leave as asem wo esi. Anya sam mayi wo school man ka sa me nka BBC ni Aljazeera nya nkomate. The MK adibo hon man wo de mayi mo ya asem ya hwe yi. Ba we de wo counterpart ni ha no. Mona man ye men friend no mona man.
Transportation am de konasa. Bibia me ko up and down. Okwa no bi hia wo pe. Sika bi enim ho se dey yi kwam be ku fi ni ho. Nti at least let's open kakra de mama na metimi be up and down.
Would from here go and see the bazaar. He'll give you something.
Thank you.
Thank you for the day. Oh, kasa kama na. What is 10K?
10,000.
10,000 what?
For transportation.
Old Ghana, old cities.
New currency means
10,000. Why?
Hey, say
10,000. No.
10,000 Ghana cedis.
No. 100 cities or 1,000. It's not 100 cities.
Me could do
10,000. 10,000 or 1,000 cities.
10,000 Ghana cedi.
10,000.
Hey,
Hey. Guys got 10,000. Now we work it the whole year. Hey, say you do 10,000. Hey, work it the whole year do 10,000. What do you want me crowd do? Who find him a call nursing school? Nursing school. Results be part of the call nursing school.
Number one school, I made people ban say.
I thought I want to make us a TV license now. The year, Juma.
So you see, we are talking about the triangle, okay? And this is Pythagoras theorem. It talks about the triangle. We have some measurements that we do about it. We have the SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA, say after me. SOHCAHTOA. Okay.
So opposite the angle, that is where we call the opposite. Okay. And the longest part is called the hypotenuse. And the one lying down is the adjacent. Are we clear? So we use the three things that I've talked about to solve these three examples. Are we clear?
Okay. Does it apply to all kinds of triangles? Because this one looks like a right angle triangle.
No. Say a right angle triangle. You can say I drove it the same. That means we have what we call the 90 degrees angle. That's different. But this one that we are talking about, all the sizes are different. The length in NP. A one you don't say, Baku was saying Baku. The ability can share angle nankasa, angle linear. Maybe a weapon, the longest part is the hypotenuse.
So we are going to deal with it. You call the angle over there theta, say theta. So with the toa, the T is for tangent. Are we clear? Yeah, toa for the toa. Toa is TOA. The T is for the tangent. And the O is for the opposite. The A is for the adjacent. T toa near tangent, opposite, adjacent. Tangent, we don't know about it. Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Are we clear?
So for
No, relax. We are doing
why no? Why not? You know, maybe me so phone why? One for sorry, but out here.
Nobody
Why yesterday I'm sure when you saw baby out in Libya. Me throw one for who said it's not sabe I'm one why they want.
My G, relax.
We better quiet that watch.
Oh, me one around. 117 no. I don't know, yes sir.
Sir. There's someone I'm de additional against me boy.
Additional. Yeah, sir.
Mo na mo ya mo se gen ni mra na mo nchiro mo mas na mo de awe mo na me boy. Masa. We feel you. Me koda yi no kura oni me yesa dia school mo me dwa wo
you say ayeden o ba what ya
no you still
ma me kabiu
sorry
bra
sorry ba bet my fine now
to nya me se so ma me kabiu se sorry bra o
so e dia bet
sorry bra ni da chimi no person ni ko dam ne ko ya assignment no sorry be sin
ni so me se na ko den
person ni ko na ko ya assignment no me dem
o dem ho no now wo abo wo bit ma kire me Every day,
when you know who need this sound come on.
So what day?
Sorry.
Yes, I'm so what friction you not because.
You're person you call. Remember the your call the train there, my brother.
I don't know which mushroom what boy say Opoku wa nyo na o.
Oh, san chi no. Bisi yo ko. Bisi. Kai. Da.
Ndimi book.
Abu kuno wa. I the next time I get out now in the best outside you want it. We have work mommy I don't stress any me get
me assignment. What don't say?
I'll give me free also say let's show us mama but I want to.
Mike also with Jackson how do you know? Obi am your assignment man. We are now bobo me.
Hey.
I need to report you.
I mean control. Next time I'm going to again see you Kenya me. Don't them the
I don't get it.
Assignment today. Come to what's here. What's today? Money. Assignment me no account dey be na
actually o dey ma you so any me dey na you go dey be o. Munyina kuma munyina. Minyi ba ku plate munyina. Ofan fa.
We are over side. We were born. Obi a my assignment. Your bad school man. Pity. Obi a ka wasem. Obi a ka wasem.
Amuji mo ko konsa.
Obi a ka wasem.
Ada wati udi wa. Ko chere na de.
Eh, ma mu yi na me.
Ko chere na de no Australia. Na
Ma
ni
mu
ko.
yi na me.
Age ro me fa ne ko. E bo ne ko na de na o se kasa kasa bi mu.
Pako. Oui. Babon sa me betimi amafia. Obi a wo metro di kwa ni spell. Metro di man na no asem atro no mfanko a.
Yeah, me punk when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me ya. Me person me come any months so jam me ya. Oh Lord.
Good afternoon, students. How do you do? Okay. When we look to ourselves, we could see that we are missing a student. As we all can see, Precious is not in our midst. And then the rationale behind it is that she's been detained at the hospital. The doctors are saying they need to infuse blood in her. I'm urging anyone of you can donate just to save the life of our sister. This are gathering this afternoon.
E dey no mu ye hwehwe ono. Ye mo kan. Na mo ye hwehwe na say.
Mike, will you donate?
Speak English. Wo muni pe bia wo wiase. Sakoi, why you school papa? Why you tip pass so you 1 minute na ntwie. What? Wo muni pe bia. Adam be na akowe ebejojo mi. E dey signal papa na pampam.
My dear, this is just the beginning. Taking your talk.
Take you catch him say this is just the beginning. Hey,
so no crowd.
So what you go?
We will move them to
what you again onye ye.
So like I was saying, can anyone donate? Really?
Sir, Precious was like a sister to me. So I will do it, sir.
Ah, Gina, where you started?
Hey, go back to more. I'm wasn't going to more. Obi afro. I see a boy.
On the headmaster.
Okay. Is there any donor?
Oh, nice.
I'll do it.
Obi a young moja. Young moja. The black. Run, Unyago no record their passport. Young moja.
Mine is okay. Oh, can go number funny Musi.
Are you willing to donate?
You. Is that not you? Are you not the one calling?
Me is negative.
You are still negative.
I mean, black book.
Carry the best thing we say. For Mummy uncle. Yet test with the name they matching.
So I come from Libya.
Hey, whoa. Who tell school more? Yes, school. Yes, first block me a game.
Okay, actually.
One more best school in a BA to me. Every other so tired and close one room. I speak English. Idiot. When I ever cut them to be couple.
Actually, I don't really know, but if you are able to donate, we'll get to know when you get to the hospital.
I say, really a suggestion. Say,
Oh,
what your body is okay. Obana can say, man, in Buja.
Oh, yes, sir. Opoku. Yes, sir.
a mountain or anything. Anyone will hear me. When you school, Hano. So we are Bema, we are Bana, we say we donate here. You come better still. So blood need in here. Now, if you want
to,
I think she will donate to me. Me.
Acquire some problem. I can't meet me in Moja.
So, I say, me donating.
yes, can't you want to talk?
Yes, like I'll go, I'll join. Yeah.
So, but I think I'm listening to his friend, so maybe she can donate to me. I'm not feeling well.
You're not feeling well.
Bestie.
Ah, no cry, you won't Okra you won't feel you well, silent here.
Send me so. Mr. Black, I'm about to wow.
Are you asking such a question?
I asked him without saying.
Yes, Mr. Say, Mrs. Students here and make it. It's did the same thing. I was a student here, young student. Mini Muja, right? Opoku. Hey, Opoku Muja. Opoku. Why you said your head ball? What?
Say you can't do some.
So how many people are ready to donate? Let me know. We are running out of time.
Aroma and Ada.
Well, James, you've accepted 2. Okay, and then who else?
Nana.
Okay, and then
One be.
I think. Hey, come and stand here. Why are you hiding yourself? Come here.
Now don't boss you afi.
Why are you hiding yourself? Will you donate the blood? You will. Whether you like it or not, you will.
No, he can't. He's anemic. Look at his face.
You having an anemia, right? Yes. It's written
Sir.
on your face.
So I want to work at a and I said, I didn't know pump him. I said, that was a Kakaru run out.
Step forward, come.
What have you too much?
Woman afi, no man drink, maybe you feel.
If you want to be bitter,
And I'm saying more afi, no man drink, you feel.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months I draw Maya. Oh Lord, I pray let her.
You see, I'm busy. Okay, see me, I'm back. We saw the car, some I bear machine, and which I count. Anyway, Nick ones were no crab at all. What's my thing? And I'm so sure now the car, some any man which I can. I am to qua. Some young kind. Me, I'm similar the cancer, if I meet my cousin Yanka. What's that? And I'm so sure I say, be out by the car, some any man who castle. And I may say, my name has a pamenka. And they will be to make it. A symbol, I know, Symbia, so I saw your own style. And I'm sure so to make it. I was a day. But you make people, can't just a cowasm chilling you. I'm a cousin, me send me an to make a chill one. Me send you on me, you be animate to my catch room, bro. Maybe be an catch room. Means me for being good through. There's him. Precious, no condition, almost so Yamujam. The mobile sample, mocha, say black, a man, and I'm person. Coming no call hospital Nanka, the Quachaki Mujan is the Fananka in Chimujan. Kelana so ni seme de Mujan and the Enfo, so ya we Mujan and any Pamujan. My father, Mawasam then, Massa, Monsieur Father. When I want to be, you say, another catching ten got you Moja Mobi. Ah, school now by you, my master, the teacher Moja, Mamma, from come over and meet you. I'll go for a bush of 3 p.m. I'm the Moja Manana. Yo, yesterday, come on, nobody I'm necessary and I'll become back or Sameka. Yeah, Konya testy Moja, be me in the Abefano. Bro, no, Moja Mobi and I then. Me, Chimmy Moja. Hey, maybe got you Moja Magiri. Small as some only that being here will be more like, hey, whenever she gonna buy, I wouldn't be another day. I got you some got you Moja Manadams. I was there, again another men again, no. Again, again, no. Two shots watch you Moja and watch you Moja man, bro. I mean, yeah, ditching. Near your fair or not, your boy Sambo, maybe a catcher say, Precious and Yamuja need into a free my abode. Ah, send you any Junaba. Ah, me idea me pan is a matisama town for you, and only idea me share. Am I going to Metian is a matam for you? Yes, a matam for you, winning side and the manager of the Share, like a man can know free school work on the manager of the come over, you know, and I got some the carry. I got the cat 6. Share, come on, Jimmy Kura. So I got you more than a man in the daddy, made a mention. Alright, now only Precious no beef, and who beef and you beef your chair 1,000 years, me to Yame. 1,000 years near to be free, chair, your church Simon, you know. Hey, around family life in the Algo, me only in your life, Abrabo, only in ya, and not to be a catch only in your only man for life.
Oh, bra, so cheerable, Chiawa. Oh, wow. Sister Connie, how are you doing?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm very, very fine. You know, you don't even have to stress your voice. You can choose not to talk. you can make signs. The Lord will translate it to a voice. I will get to know what you're trying to talk about. Sister Connie, even you see you are sick, but the way you are looking beautiful, Sister Connie. Should I get you a mirror to look at how stunning you are looking? So the doctors told me that you will need blood. You will need blood. When I heard that, my dearest and precious Canon will need blood. Do you know what I did? Do you know Nanya? You don't know Nanya. You don't know Shuwaka. You don't know that. You're the young queen. You don't know. And I mean, just to get enough blood to donate to you. Oh. The Lord asked me to do that. And you're looking very, very beautiful too, if I might say.
Did you just say you will donate the blood?
Even if I don't do that, the Lord will punish me, Sister Connie.
Oh, Brother James. Before we go ahead.
Yeah.
Can you have you seen Scanty? Can you look for Scanty for me, because I want his blood in my blood. Before, if his blood doesn't match, then you can go ahead to donate the blood. Brother James, why are you acting like that? Brother James.
Jesus.
Brother James.
Can you even hear yourself? I went and ate all these things just to get enough blood to do, and you are telling me that I should look for Scanty for you.
Adam, I don't think you've made up your mind to go to the hospital and donate for Precious.
Why not? Everybody's leaving this school to the
Both
hospital.
of us, we are not going anywhere. Adam, don't play with me.
Listen, every day, don't play with me. Like, how can we exclude ourselves from this?
She has her own family members. They can donate for her, right? Why you? Why me?
It's not just the two of us, it's the whole school.
I said
we are going to try our best.
We are not going. You hear what I said? We are not going. Young baby, yeah. She has her own family members. They should go and donate for her. Why you?
So what excuse are we going to give to the teachers?
They won't know. They are going to hide. They won't know. There are lots of students in the school. If we don't go, they won't know anything. And it's not by force. They even said it's not by force.
Even if it's not forced, and let's try something at least.
I said we are not going anywhere, Adam.
At least your blood can save her life, or mine can save her life.
I should go and save her life.
So will you be happy if the next day they come and tell us that Precious?
I'm not wishing her bad. Me myself, I'm not feeling well. I'm sick. You yourself too, you are sick. To go and donate for somebody.
But her own is emergency, so let's try something.
And I think you are not going anywhere.
Don't be so difficult.
Today I'll be following your foottrails. You are not stepping out. Maybe I'll be with you. You are not stepping out. Just listen. If you want peace with me, you hear what I said? So you are not going. Promise me. Promise.
You know, I can't promise because I don't know what will happen. I'll not go, but I can't promise. I'll not go, but I can't promise.
Promise. Then promise me that you're not going.
If I promise and something drags me there by force, it means
nothing is going to drag you there by force. It's your body. You control it, right? So promise me. Adams, I'm waiting. Promise. Promise that you're not going there.
Yes, I said I will not go there. I can't promise.
Are you sure?
I'll not go down.
So promise me.
I'm sure.
Okay, then promise. If you want to lie, you can't promise. Be meaning you are lying. I know you. You don't want to promise because you are telling me lies. So promise.
I can't promise, Anderson. I can't promise. Why? Why should
Okay,
I
fine. If you're not
promise?
going to promise me, I don't care. But you're not going anywhere.
Yeah, and I'm not going.
So where are you going?
I'm going to buy food.
Look, I've not eaten. So you have to buy 2. I'll come to the hostel. Adams, I said that. Why are you behaving this way?
How am I behaving? I said I'm going to buy food. I'm not going anywhere.
And I said buy one for me. What food are you going to buy?
Some of the jollof rice.
Okay, I want fried rice.
You have heard you'll buy some for you. Do you want chicken or beef?
I want beef.
You will let them deliver it to you.
I said I'll come to your place. So buy it and come to your place. I'll come there.
So does that mean you'll be following me around?
I'm going to take my phone, so I'll come to your place. So go and buy it. Don't keep me waiting. I'll come there very soon.
You no problem.
Why are you confused?
I'm going to the country.
In fact, let's go together. It's okay, let's go together.
Yeah, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with your Maya. Me, person me come any months with Maya.
I don't think Vanilla.
Me question pressure to hospital.
Yeah, me, I mean, it's all not be fair because Bissau was normal talk. So, you see, in the condition that is saying the blood no or more.
Condition there, I'm going to say, see, they send no way. No way in things Opoku, it's me be donate a man. Opoku. Me a program and donating, so Opoku need to who see was so be donate a man.
Opoku na chini moja mwa pressure.
And then I was surprised. Opoku na chini moja ne man.
What try? Why are they?
Why are they not some hospital? Are they?
Me and Cassam so. I'm home family sao.
You coming to you? I saw Cassation in Madden.
Yeah, na me nyoke na me tie me auntie. But I don't know where.
Me say no who ya dey into na won but tie o yin to me be help friend no hospital.
Think I may call me no like me call you me.
You me o be call.
Yeah, no call so.
Who chairman sha na say wo ye dey.
O me call me call you me.
You can no afa me.
Me kwa me call there.
Nko be call. Buy no way.
Okay. No Opoku, and then I'm going to Opoku or no question with a man.
Opoku. Yankashi and Cheno say last time say black here say find a bit me a donate a man now or you say obey donate a man.
Why I didn't expect that from him.
Because not a brother James and I say obey donate.
Hey, no come say brother James never a man but
donate a man.
No, Opoku so I'm a man for a ferry.
Me come a ferry minimum so bit me I say.
I'm a man for a ferry.
I thought the same crab donate a man on the friend the best thing.
I wonder one test the crowd.
Right. There was so uncle.
Now what then I want one.
Oh, me anemico.
Okay.
Anemic means me to me more than the size.
Anemic now hip size.
Yes, I have them found when I say I
anemic there. Okay, but all the same today. Me call canteen. I come say one of me to not doing from canteen. Me call canteen number. Yeah, me call na makwa try na.
Ashese no here.
Me ana me nso mo from me because me tie me anti no. So I'm share hostel something. Tino. The mama nko. Okay.
Alright.
No one is around. My Gabriel is around.
Make us in there na
Ba say guess what found.
Ti me nam no nanka. Me tutu me ni na me hwe oba close now.
Right. Ja guess what? Guess what media no so Hey. Everybody am coupon.
Ramasemu.
Again.
Me hwe.
She be na waji me.
Me hwe. Den dojino no hwe na ade na benyi. Wada na chi odojino no hwe na ade na benyi. Uncle area.
Uncle Infa. I thought Uncle area.
Send me the I am at campus. One and so one with me.
Uncle. Masa, me imagine them with him now. Me chinchino, pesca. Far from school, no, me say chinchini pesca. Woman in the other so. Well, Sassam no one so won't tears your better tears. How I damn son, bro. You be no dear out the financial free, you know. So,
but I have to so I'm saying pesca by PP and too much. Who pesca can change school? And you can say, so school near more.
Can you give me 2 and 40?
Who say, Michelle Dennis? Or share precious, and I'm Obana didn't come maybe Sanwa, say Mojano. Alpha. I will say, Opoku na opportunity Mojama.
Momo Hamu. Opoku opportunity Mojama, and I made them found away. Tibono, Mojana and family. Oga, ana Opoku opportunity Mojama, when I say, oh, come and give me 2.
Boy, one day, Opoku aya de, Opoku was on tiny.
Kela.
Waya, oh.
Me for be no de waya de any ade you. Masa, mo forget mo hona mo fa free o masa. Mo na mo yare na mo yehwe mo ho. E bi anyare you.
Boy, we mean no feel bad because nkomo am ni udi e kan ya na kan me soro call ya na e ko twin e ko testing e twin man na. Kan one no ka at least you so you show love.
Sure. Love ni de love na me de ma wan. Wo ge no.
Me because
na we ya so do sana. Oya wuni ntia. E mi dibone ana mi sire o. Ya papa na mi su.